We are Onyx Imaging. We are the highest rated and most reviewed printer service center in Oklahoma.
Hi, my name is John with Onyx Imaging. Today we're going to take a look at this Ricoh SG3110. We're getting lines and different smudges when we're making scans and copies. So we're going to show you how to clean the scanner glass today. And one thing we'll show you is when you open up the scanner bed, you'll see there's actually two separate pieces of glass. You have your flatbed scanner, and there's a small strip of glass on the left side of the printer. And that small strip of glass is actually for when you're using this top document feeder. So if you're feeding papers through the top, and that's when you're noticing most of your blemishes happening, so lines, anything like that, then you're going to want to focus on your cleaning on this little strip of glass on the left side of the printer. If you're noticing most of them when you're actually physically laying your papers down on the flatbed scanner and making single copies, then that's where you're going to want to focus most of your cleaning then is on this flatbed scanner. So to clean it, you're going to want to use your favorite glass cleaner. If you don't have any glass cleaner, you can use rubbing alcohol, but glass cleaner works better. And a lint-free cloth. The biggest thing I can tell you is to please always apply your glass cleaner directly to your cloth and never to the printer itself. If you apply the glass cleaner directly to the glass, there's a high likelihood that it could seep underneath the glass, and once that happens it can cause a lot more trouble than you started with. So please always apply your cleaner directly to your cloth. Alright, so in this case we're going to clean both pieces of glass. So we'll start on this little piece on the left, and you just want to go over it, make sure you get anything that you can visibly see off the glass. If sometimes there's ink, tape, whiteout, you might have to go over a spot a couple more times. It can be a little more stubborn. But other than that, it's a pretty simple process. Make sure you're happy with the way it looks, and then you don't see anything left on the glass. So then we'll go over and we'll clean off the flatbed scanner. They're known for getting fingerprints and dust and things like that built up on them. Alright. So once you're happy with the way everything looks, then we'll go and close up the scanner. And I would recommend doing test copies and scans from both ways, so feeding some paperwork through the document feeder and from the flatbed scanner, and making sure all those smudges and lines went away. If they all went away, then you're good to go. If you're still getting faint lines or faint little smudges, that's going to indicate there's still something left in that scanner glass. So just go ahead and repeat that process one more time. That should take care of it. Other than that, you should be back up and printing. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. If you're interested in how you can receive free labor on all of your service calls, as well as how to qualify for free printer upgrades, contact us today. We are here for all of your printer and office supply needs.